Hi everybody, quick update. Not much been going on with the bike. It's so bloody cold, as you all know. I'm just waiting for everything to warm up before I can do the painting. As you can see, everything's covered up, engine's ready to go, just got a mask up. Buffed up that front plate, same as the other one. What I am going to do is, while I'm waiting for the weather to cheer up, I'm going to put some other videos on of some of my other hobbies, DIY stuff, things like, as you can see down there, blown up compressor, fixing that. I don't know if you see my van in a couple of the videos. I do mainly grass cutting, but I do some tool reviews. I've got some new electric tools, and I do a bit of this in my spare time. It's steel cutting, that's with a plasma cutter, so I'll do a bit on that, show you how that works. That's a lace steel drum I'm doing there. New designer fire pit I'm doing, gabions. So do these little fire pits, bit of artwork. Also, let me just shut the garage up. I'm just going to go through all my hobbies on my videos, and then I'm going to do a couple of videos on each one. Oh, she's locked me out. God damn it. You're on video. One of my hobbies, my marine fish tank. So we'll do a bit about saltwater, maintenance, soft corals, lighting, that sort of stuff, like Mr. Saltwater. I'm just going to pause this up, take you up and show you some of my other stuff. This is one of my DIY efforts. This is my weighted loft hatch. Couldn't find anything on YouTube about designing this. This is my man cave. This is one of my new things, is 3D printer. I mainly bought that for doing the models for my model railway, which is for my son's into. So this will be another thing. This is N-gauge railway we're starting. I see another bit of DIY, which is what we had to do, was convert the loft. We had to take all the supports out of the loft, get a man in, show us how to do it. But so just going to expand the channel really. If you get any videos you don't want, just delete them or share them with your buddies. But and the other thing we're doing is some Warhammer figures for my other lad. Painting them, learning how to play. But this 3D printer is amazing. I'll do some videos of that and some stuff we've made. I don't know if you can see it in this lighthouse that we can put at the other end. See it in this light. I'm just getting into that, learning how to do it. But anything DIY related, tool related, we'll do a bunker video on. And there's a bit of my background there. Ex-army. Nothing wants to focus on my phone. Anyway, there you go. Bye.